how to customize the lock screen app icons shortcut on the iPhone 16 series. So first, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, what you want to do is to go back to the main settings page. Then we scroll down and tap on wallpaper. Next, tap on the left hand side panel customize button. Then we go down. First, we're going to make changes to the icon or the shortcut on the left hand side. So we tap on the delete button and then tap on add. In here, you can search for a control, or you can scroll down and browse for a control that you would like to use. So there are quite a lot you can choose from. So we've got translate, home, calculator, alarm, dark mode, shortcut, magnifier, and the default one is the flashlight and the camera. So here you got capture, camera, scan code, magnifier, Snapchat. For clock, you can add in a alarm shortcut or a timer shortcut or a stopwatch. And then if we scroll down, we've got remote, shortcuts, Snapchat, we've got sounds, we've got translate, we've got utilities, we've got voice memos, wallet, watch, accessibility, hearing accessibility, motor accessibility, vision accessibility. So quite a lot that you can choose from. So here I will select a calculator. And for the right hand side shortcut, you can delete the camera and then tap on the add button. And here we can replace that with, say, a shortcut. And then you can choose a shortcut. So I will choose a, say, Chrome shortcut and then tap on done. So tap on done and then tap on the back and then swipe up to go back to your home screen. Now, if you lock your phone and go to your lock screen, you can see we have now changed it with a calculator. So we can quickly open up the calculator directly from the lock screen. Or you can open up this app that we have set to it. So for some app, we require to unlock before we can use it, whereas a standard app such as calculator or general app such as calculator or flashlight does not need you to unlock the phone first. So here we can just open it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So I cannot close it at the moment. So when I try to close it, it asks me to enter the passcode. Otherwise, it's kind of got stuck in that calculator. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.